Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for Memorize Monday. The last scripture that I planned on memorizing was Philippians 2:14 and 15. Now everyone knows the beginning part, do all things without complaining and disputing. But it's the rest of it that really caught my attention, where it says, do all things without complaining and disputing, that you may become blameless and harmless children of God without fault in the midst of a crooked and perverse generation, amongst whom you shine as lights in the world. So now you say, well, how can I use that scripture in a daily walk? Well, easy. The first thing that I thought of was Albertsons. The whole three's a crowd. Once it hits 4 people in line, everyone starts looking around and everyone starts complaining. But we need to be that joy in the world. We need to be that light. Okay? We need to encourage someone in front of us or behind us, pray for someone, just smile at someone. We need to be that light. So I ask you this week as you go along with your business, and some people are doing graduations and the lines are going to be long, really meditate on this scripture. Put it in your heart and say, you know what, I'm not going to complain or dispute, but that I'm going to be the light of this world for Jesus. I hope you're blessed, and I hope you join me next week. Thanks.